I'm going to be making a video by myself. I just figured that I should do it now because we have not posted in a while, and this is a perfect the perfect opportunity. So let's get straight into the video. Ooh. So this video is going to be a Q&A mukbang, and I have some chicken noodle soup here because I am currently sick, and I asked questions on my Instagram and my Snapchat and this other app that I do, but I'm not gonna mention that. But I haven't gotten back on that yet, so I have some questions written down on this flashcard from my other video that I was supposed to make for my personal channel, but I didn't get to that. So let's continue again. Okay, so now I'm going to be reading the questions that I have. Let me just get to where they're at. Okay, now it's time to eat too. I just want to grab a bite of this soup. Okay. Before I get started, again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every time we upload a new video. Okay. So somebody wrote, if you could trade lives with anybody for a day, who would it be? That's a good question. I did not mean to start off with this one, but it was the first one. If I could trade lives with somebody for a day, I think I would want to trade with my mom, because then she could be a kid for like a day and she won't have to worry about anything, because like for that day nothing would have to be hard on her or anything like that. So yeah, next question. Okay, so next question is by the same person, and it says Coke or Pepsi. I prefer Sprite, but if there's no Sprite in the world and there's only Coke or Pepsi, I'll probably go with Pepsi. So yeah, Pepsi it is. Okay, now this question says, have you ever met someone famous? No, I haven't met somebody famous, but I want to. Okay, so if I could meet anybody famous, because I really haven't met any famous people, but the one person, well, there's two people that I really want to see. They're celebrities. One, I would want to see Nick Jonas, because like he's my favorite, and I would want to see Demi Lovato, because like I would always watch the Jonas Brothers show, and I would watch Sunny with a Chance with Demi Lovato, and all the Camp Rocks, and like they were so good. And I also think, I don't know, there's just so many good celebrities out there, and I wish I could see them all. But one day I'm gonna have a goal set to where, because I'm definitely not going to no concerts, because I'm like scared to go to concerts, but one day I'll make it to see a celebrity. Yeah, one day hopefully I could make it. I just gotta be better, set myself for an opportunity to meet somebody famous. I would also want to see Finn Wolfhard, because like, whew, Finn Wolfhard is like, he's just like the best. Like, I can't even explain how he is, because like there's just so many words to describe him. It's like weird. I don't know. Next question it says, so next question says, would you like to be famous? I would like to be noticed. I just won't want to be like famous, if that makes sense. I just feel like I don't want to be famous because like there's famous people, and you know, all famous people have their haters, and I'm just worried that someday, like, if I ever have a hater, like, something bad is just gonna, like, happen. So, I don't want to be famous, but, like, if I ever get my own, like, makeup line or some type of line for me, then I would want to get noticed instead of being famous. I don't know if that makes sense. It sounds better in my head. But next question, if you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? I feel like I won't change anything because everything happens for a reason. You learn from those mistakes. So, yeah, I don't feel like I would change anything. Even though, like, I've done bad stuff before. But I wouldn't change anything because everything that had happened, I grew to be a better person than I was before. And yeah, you just learn from your mistakes. It takes time for you to grow. So, yeah, in my opinion. Next question says, if you could live anywhere, where would that be? That's a good question. There's a lot of places I want to live. I think I'm gonna change the question up a little bit because I can't answer that. Because there's so many places that I want to live. So I really can't answer that. So I'm gonna change it up to, if I could visit anywhere, where would it be? So I can definitely answer that question. I will definitely say Egypt. Another place that I would want to visit is definitely Paris, because there's just something about Paris that I like. Sorry, I had the hiccups. I don't know, it irritably came, but I also finished my food. So, my phone is dead. So, I guess I'm stuck with these flashcards again. Oh, excuse me. I guess I'm stuck with these flashcards again. So, well, one flashcard. But, yeah, if I went to visit... Excuse me. Oh, my gosh. Let's try this again. If I went to visit somewhere, oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Get yourself together, hiccups. If I was to visit somewhere, I would definitely choose Egypt and Paris. I would definitely choose Egypt and Paris. Oh my gosh. This is not the right time. Get yourself together. Gosh. It would definitely be Egypt and Paris. because I love all the history that are there. And Paris, I just love like the culture and stuff in Paris. Also the same with Egypt. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna like wrap this video up because I don't want this video to be too long, so I think I'm just gonna do 3 more questions and then I'm going to bounce. Oh wow, I didn't hiccup. Ooh, okay. So let's get on to the question. So one of the flashcards questions says, what do you mostly love about yourself? I don't know. Oh, one thing that I definitely love about myself is my honesty. I'm a very honest person, and I don't like want to hurt people's feelings, but if they ask me a question, I'm going to be honest, and if it hurts them, well, like, I'm sorry, but like, you asked me a question. So I feel like I'm brutally honest, but I'm like honest and I'm loyal. So I mean, like, get a best friend like me. Yeah, get a best friend like me, because you don't, some of these friends be like mad fake and they don't be honest with you. Like, even as some of my friends, like, I'm brutal, like brutally honest. Like, yeah, you just gotta be real. Keep it real with you, keep it real with yourself, keep it real with everybody around you. If you're not real, what's the point? There ain't no point in being fake, so you just gotta keep it real. Keep it 100, you feel me? This question is, what gets you angry? Oh, this is an easy one. I have like so many things that get me angry. I'm gonna start with a simple one. Please don't chew with your mouth open. That's nasty. That is disgusting. Like, I understand if you're like chewing gum, because like sometimes your jaws hurt when you chew gum, so you just gotta like keep chewing with your mouth open. You feel me? But that's like more work towards your jaw. But it's just something, I can't explain it. You feel me though, right? You feel me? It's like, one of my biggest problems is when you chew with your mouth open. Like, that's nasty, bro. That's nasty. Like, that's disgusting. Like, no, nah, bro, nah. What makes you even want to chew with your mouth open? Like, that's nasty. And if you do it, like, I don't know what to say. Just don't come around me chewing with your mouth open, because, ugh. Something I say. Next question. Okay, so this is going to be the last question, because again, I don't want this video to be long. So yeah, the last question I'm going to choose is what makes you you? I don't know. Shoot, what makes me me? I don't know. To be honest, I really don't know. Okay, skipping that question. Next question. What do you think people would say about you? That I'm rude, disrespectful. I don't know. Do you got something to say about me? If you got something to say, just say it. I'm not gonna be hurt. It's your opinion. Like, say it about me. Do whatever you gotta do. Shoot. I mean, like, I say stuff about people all the time. If I say it behind their back, I say it to their face too. The exact same words. So yeah, I guess that's it. What the frick are you doing, Ashley? Get yourself together, bro. Get yourself together. What are you doing? Get yourself together. Gosh. I promise you I'm not crazy. Okay, maybe just a little. No, I'm not crazy. Okay, well, I guess this was the end of the video. Oh, special announcement. You heard it from me first, people, okay? Special announcement. Okay, special announcement. I am making us a new intro. Okay, new intro coming soon. I don't know when. It's just gonna be something simple. No folders or nothing, just something simple. Words like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That's it. That's all it's gonna say. That's all it's gonna say. You feel me? You feel me? Keep it nice, simple. Whoa! Yeah, so you heard it from me first. I'm so excited because on my channel, on my personal channel, I just made my new intro as well. So we getting Lydio 2020, baby. You feel me? Yeah, you dig it. Okay, anyways, before we leave, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. You feel me? You dig? Let's go. Hope you guys like this video. DA Squad, D Ash Squad. Got any questions? Email us, okay? Okay? It's at 2.d.a.squadup@gmail.com. If you got any questions, DM me in my Instagram. It's makeupwithash1019YT. You feel me? You dig? Anyways, we out this thing, boo-boo.